Hey guys, wanted to bring you another YouTube regarding the economy and what I see in the future. Obviously, the Feds raised 0.75% today. So if you took the average last week for a mortgage was 5.22%. Now you're looking at about 6%. Actually, sorry, it was 5.5% and now it's about 6.25%. So what that means is that it's going to be more expensive to borrow money. I'm not surprised with everything in monetary spending and the way things were set up. That's why if you saw my older videos of last year, that's why we were going on vacation and then bought some stuff that if you like my smoker and certain things that we thought, well, we have the money and the cash right now, we know this price is going to go up because I predicted the reason why it was going to go up was because of all the spending and all the monetary printing of the money from the feds. So I think we're in a lot of pain in these next couple of months to maybe could be a couple years, depending how the feds control this inflation and everything going on. Because I was in banking earlier in the year and interest rates were about 3.75%. You could even as low as 3.5%. Now you're looking at almost 3% now, and they're supposed to raise the interest rates again next month. So again, if you guys like this type of video or knowledge that you want to know from me, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. I could talk about this topic for a long time because I was right about 2008. There's a lot of signs, there's red flags that were coming. I saw it coming last year because of how things were going down the pipeline. And like I said, that's where I didn't know if sticking, a couple of reasons why I didn't know about sticking with banking, because I didn't know if people were going to get laid off or anything like that, because depending on the industry, tech industry is going to be hurting because, well, they're going to have to cut costs. The cost to borrow money is going to be a lot more now for a tech company. That doesn't make sense to be able to do that. So you're going to find who's going to be the strong companies that's going to survive, weather through the storm. And so that's why I kind of went to adjusting in insurance, because I thought that's going to be a safer route right now, because you're going to still need insurance to drive to get to where you gotta go and stuff like that to protect your family. And especially when you have a recession, or I hope we don't go Great Depression, because that is a possibility. I mean, it depends how the government and the Fed handles everything. So, just wanted to touch base on, not really surprised. That's why the market was kind of up today, because the last couple of days the market was taking a huge beating, and almost a 20% drop from the peak. So I would not be fooled with what happened today and that it went up. But like I said, we're going to see the same thing when next year or next month around this time, when it is supposed to go, when the interest rate might be going up again. Originally we thought it was going to be 0.5%. Instead it went to 0.75%. So again, they hinted that it could be another 0.75% next month. So again, if there's a lot of views and likes and stuff like that, I could talk about different topics about this. How I actually made money during the 2008, like after what happened, and kind of have to be patient and weather the storm and kind of see the signs and stuff like that. So even though I know things are going to be tough right now, I would say there are going to be opportunities coming down if you do have some cash or in position, because you could 10x your money, I think, to be honest, after this. Again, I'm no longer in the financial industry, But again, I'm talking based on my economics background and what I could think could happen based on what, because history does repeat itself. If we are due for a recession, we can't have economic expansion this long. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and together we could build better tomorrow. Thanks again.